Tesla Pickleball Paddle versus Boomstick. Which one plays better? Today I tested it out and here's what happened. And I first stuck choosing between the Tesla Paddle and the Boomstick and just want to know which one actually feels better on the court. This will give you a clear answer fast so you don't waste money guessing. Both paddles are made for players who want more control and power without using heavy or hard to handle gear. Tesla is known for a lighter, more balanced feel. Boomstick is built to feel stronger and more solid, especially when hitting hard shots. Starting with feel in the hand, Tesla is lighter and easier to swing for long games. It feels smooth and quick, which helps with fast exchanges at the net. Boomstick feels heavier and more solid. Some players like that weight because it makes shots feel stronger, but others may find it tiring after long matches. Control is important, especially for beginners. Tesla makes it easier to guide the ball where you want it to go. Soft shots, dinks, and short returns feel more natural. Boomstick still has control but is more focused on power. Gentle shots take more care because the ball can jump faster than expected. When it comes to power, Boomstick clearly hits harder. Drives from the back of the court feel strong and smashes have more force. Tesla can still hit hard, but it is more about balance than raw power. If someone plays aggressively, Boomstick may feel more exciting. At the net, Tesla shines. Quick reactions, blocks, and short touches are easier because the paddle moves fast and feels light. Boomstick is still usable at the net, but the extra weight can slow down fast reactions. Comfort also matters. Tesla feels easier on the arm, especially for long games. Boomstick's heavier build can cause more arm tiredness over time, especially for new players or those who play often. Durability in both is good. Both are built to handle regular play without breaking easily. Neither feels cheap or fragile. So which one plays better? It depends on how you play. If you like control, quick movement, and long games without tiring your arm, Tesla is the better choice. If you like strong hits, powerful drives, and feeling weight behind every shot, Boomstick fits better. For beginners, Tesla is usually easier to learn with. It forgives mistakes and helps you place the ball better. Boomstick is better for players who already know how to control their shots and want more power. So the real answer is this. Tesla plays better for control and comfort. Boomstick plays better for power and strong shots. There's no single winner for everyone. The best paddle is the one that matches how you play and what you enjoy most on the court.